Today I show you a notification that you might see when you're doing updates on your Samsung Galaxy phone. This is the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, but it's going to be on all Android phones more or less. You see these notifications that updates are ready to install, but from a previous update you also see that you can choose the browser and the search engine. I got this on multiple phones, and I believe they are forced to do this to make you choose a default browser and search engine. This is inside the EU, and I'm not sure if in other countries it will show this notification, but this is giving you a chance as a user to choose a different browser than the one you're supplied with by default from the manufacturer, from the phone. And you have here Ecosia, Mi Browser, Brave, Opera. There are a lot of Quant. I knew this one. Microsoft Edge, I wouldn't recommend that one. Firefox is a good option. DuckDuckGo also. Brave and Ecosia. Brave is I'd never use it, but I heard about it, and Ecosia also I heard about it, never use it. But Firefox, it's a really good option. I chose Google Chrome here. It's interesting that it's the last option in the menu, but it's because it's the Google option, and they're trying to make it so it's not one of the first options to be, so nobody says that they're trying to push you to use that. And the search engine, you could have Brave, Microsoft Bing, which is a good option. Ecosia also, DuckDuckGo, it's a good option. I wouldn't recommend Yahoo search, I believe, but I will choose Google because I use Google. I actually use Firefox and Chrome, but the search engine I use Google. I tried DuckDuckGo, but it was a bit I got used to how Google is, so maybe I'll give DuckDuckGo another time, a try another time. And while you're doing this, you could also check for updates. So for this Samsung phone, I have also updates to install, and I will install them and continue to use the phone. Thanks for watching.